Okay guys, so this will serve as your tutorial how to operate this project. One thing to keep in mind is that the only thing na magkakaroon kayo ng problema sa mga matatanggal na connection ay sa breadboard. Other than that, nakasolder in place na lahat ng mga wiring dito at naka-mighty band na lahat yan para hindi na siya matanggal. Okay, one thing you need to remember is the breadboard. Madaling matanggal ang connection dyan, see? And one thing you need to remember if yung matatanggal, pag red at blue, yun ay positive. Okay? Pag white and black, that's negative. Okay? Except sa baba. Sa baba naman, we only have a few connections. Okay? Sa baba, we have, let me zoom that, yung white ay sa red, and then black is to ground. Then, there's one more connection there on the side. Let me take a focus. Yan. Yung fino-focus kong yon. Yung connection na yon, as you can see, that's red to red and black to ground. Okay? So, yun lang. Now, let's get on to the how we'll operate the system. You need to supply 5 volts on the positive rail sa taas. And then you need to supply 12 volts sa positive rail sa baba. Again, 5 volts sa taas, 12 volts sa baba. Okay? So, we have this power supply na ipapahirap ko sa inyo. Okay? To make this work, okay, saksak nyo siya sa AC volt. Okay? It won't turn on yet because the fan is off. The system is off. To turn on the power supply, there should be 2 wires here. As you can see, yan. The green wire and the black wire. Okay? Short them together and the fans will spin. Okay? There you can see. Nagsispin na siya. Give me 1 sec. When you do this, you're turning on the power supply. Okay? As you can see, nagsispin na yung fan. Now, to make the system work, take one of these Molex, okay? Molex connectors, and we're gonna put some male pins there para ma-connect sa breadboard natin, and that will power up the system. So, one thing you need to know about this Molex is red is 5 volts, okay? Ulitin ko, red is 5 volts, and the yellow one is 12 volts, okay? So, obviously, the black one is ground, okay? So, keep that in mind. So, we're gonna connect this connector to our breadboard. How? Using these connectors. Okay? So, first things first, ay lagyan natin ng male connectors. Okay, 1 sec. So, we're gonna put the red one sa red kasi wala na akong kulay sa iba. And I'm gonna put the green one sa yellow. And I'm gonna put the brown one sa ground. Sorry, wala na ako natirang male connector. So, ito na lang muna. Okay? Basta kailangan nyo tandaan, yellow is 12 volts. Where will yellow go? Sa baba. Then, red is 5 volts. Well, where will red go? Sa taas. Okay? And obviously, ground will go to ground. Okay? As you can see nga pala dito, naka-short na yung ground ng dalawang terminal block na yun. So, putting one ground here will also set the ground to the other one. So, you don't have to worry about that. So, okay? Red, okay, is 5 volts. And saan natin ko-connect here 5 volts? Sa taas. Okay? Then, green is connected sa yellow, which is, yellow is 12 volts. Connected din sa baba. Sa baba na positive, okay? You need to supply positive 12 volts, okay? Then, ground. The brown one is ground, and you can just connect it to the ground terminal sa either of the top or bottom, okay? And that should power up the system. Let me just reopen the power supply. 1 sec. Okay. So, as you can see, the system is powered on, okay? So, ulitin natin. See? Opening it up. 5 volts sa taas. Okay. Now, to make the system work,